Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a verification system in a Discord server. So let's get started. So here we are in Discord in our PC. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to create a server first so that I can show you guys. So I'm going to create my own right here. And server name is verification tutorial. From here, I want to create the server right there. And now it has been created. What we want to do first in your server is that you're gonna go into the server settings. You can do it by clicking here on your server name, and from here you want to select server settings right here. So you want to click on it and this would appear right here, and you want to go into here into the roles, click roles, and you will be prompted right here. So you can create a role by clicking this button. So we're gonna click it and we can have the role name right here. Since we are making this role for a bot, then we can just name it bots tutorial. Bots role, just like that. And then we can now go into permissions and go to the bottom of it until you can see that advanced permissions right here, administrator. This is the only one that you absolutely need to enable right here if you are making a bots role right here for bots, because this is very important for bots to function properly. So make sure that you have this enabled. And if you want to enable some of this, some extra stuff, then it's up to you. But this is the one that you only need right here. So after you have done that, then you can now go and save changes. So now we have the role enabled. Now we can add bot into our Discord server. So to do that, you want to go into your browser. In my case, it will be right here. And as you can see, I am now in my browser and I am in the top.gg website. So this is where we will be getting our bot right here so that we can add it into our Discord server. So you want to go here first in your browser and then type here pandas, right? Just like that. And then you want to hit search right here so that it will search the bot. And as you can see, we have the Pandas Guard beta. This is the bot that we will be using for this example, and I also recommend this because this is very easy to set up. So after that, we want to click here on invite, and let's just wait for it to load. And as you can see, this is it. This is the invitation to our Discord server. So from here, we want to select our server right here. In my case, it would be, it's not showing up yet. There it is. It's just in the bottom. So verification tutorial, we want to continue on that. Continue, and as you can see, you just want to enable all of this right here. So we want to authorize right here. Click on authorize, and then verification, of course. And let's just verify that. And as you can see, it has now been successful. Pandas Guard has been authorized and added to our Discord server. So let's go back to our Discord. And as you can see, we have the bot right here. So the first thing that we're gonna do is that add the role to the bot so that it would have the administrative privileges. So to add it, we wanna click on this name right here, on the name of the bot. And from here, we wanna add the role of bots role right here that we have created. So you just want to click this plus icon right here when you click this, or you could just also click this right here in the members panel right here and just click this plus icon. So now that it has been set up and we have added the bot right here, so we also have these channels right here when we add a bot, so it is already set up. So when you go into the verify, from here you can already do the verification right here. So when you click on verify, and it would, to continue, you must turn off your DMs, and this is to protect you and so whatsoever. So you want to continue right here. You must agree, then continue. And of course, the verification captcha right here, you want to enter that. So it is MVX6KK. And as you can see, it has now been verified. I am now verified in the server. And as you can see, my name is now Sky Blue, because as you can see, my role is now verified right there. So with this, we can now set up the verification. We can modify the verification process. So to do that, let's just remove our role first as a verified member so that we can undergo the verification process once again. The next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to manage the voice channels and the text channels right here. We're going to manage its permissions. So in this way, when people join your Discord server, they won't be able to access the text channels and voice channels when they are not yet verified. So they need to verify themselves first before they can access these channels. So to do that, it's very simple. You just have to right click on text channels right there, and you want to go in here, edit category, click on it. And from here, you can actually change the category name right here if you don't want to name it text channels, and you want to go into permission right here, and you want to enable private category right here. You want to make sure this is enabled. And then here in the roles and members right here, you want to add the verified role right here. So once you've added the verified role, you want to enable this. And in case you want to enable some of these permissions right here, then it is up to you. It depends on what you want, but this is important that they can view the channel right here. So once you're done, you can now go and click Save Changes, and then you can go back and you can do the same for the voice channels. Right click, edit category, and then permissions, and then private category, and of course add a verified role right here. So you can do this, add right here, and as you can see, it's been added right here, and you want to make sure that it is enabled to view channels right there, and you want to save changes. And after that, you're basically done in managing the permissions. And now what we're gonna do is we want to delete this waiting room right here because this is not really important. So we're gonna just delete this channel right there, delete. And we're gonna add a text channel right here. So we're gonna add it. So we're gonna name it bot commands right here. This is very important that you have this in your Discord server so that in here you can manage the bot that you have here. So in this case, the verification bot, we can actually modify the verification process. So you want to make this private, this channel private right here. So permissions right here, and you want to make this a private channel, and you want to remove the verified right here because you only want this for yourself right there. And now save changes. We have now disabled the verified role right here to view the channel. So save changes. And now we want to go and escape right there. And from here, what we're going to do is that we are going to type in /config. And we're going to go edit CAPTCHA right here. Or you can also edit the language, admin, and whatsoever. But the only thing that I'm going to show you here is the CAPTCHA. So from here, you have the text or image CAPTCHA option. So what I recommend is that you choose the image one because this is more optimal, because when you choose the text CAPTCHA, when they are using their mobile phones, then it might mess the image up and it will be very hard for them to actually read the text. So I recommend having this image CAPTCHA right here. So once you have chosen that, you want to hit enter. And as you can see, configuration updated right here. So if you want to config a lot more, like language, logs, optional roles, then you can explore the commands right here. But this is just what I want to share with you guys, the CAPTCHA, so you can know that you can config your bot right here in your bot commands. So from here, you want to go into verify again, and let's see if the configuration has been updated. So now we're gonna go verify again. So let's go verify, click on verify, and then continue right here, and then continue again. And from here, are you human? As you can see, it is a car right there, and this is now the image CAPTCHA compared to the last one, which is the text CAPTCHA. And now it's just a car right there. It's very simple, and as you can see, I am now verified just like that. And now I can view all text channels and voice channels that we have because I am now verified. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helped you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.